In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moz for keyword research. To get started, open your web browser and search for Moz. Once you find the official Moz website, go ahead and open it. If Moz prompts you to sign in, log into your account so you can access the available tools without interruption. This is a simple first step, but it's important because some features may be limited if you're not signed in. After you're inside the site, move your pointer over the menu labeled Free SEO Tools. From that menu, click on Keyword Explorer. This is the main area in Moz where you'll research search terms, compare opportunities, and evaluate whether a keyword is actually worth targeting. Once Keyword Explorer opens, you'll see a drop-down that lets you choose your research method. This is where you decide how you want to begin your keyword discovery process. Moz gives you more than one way to approach research, depending on whether you want to start with a topic idea or learn from competitors. If you choose to explore by keyword, type in a broad seed term related to your niche. For example, if your business or content is in floral services, you might enter something like wedding florist. A seed keyword is a starting phrase that helps Moz generate related ideas and show you how people may be searching around that topic. If you choose to explore by site instead, paste in a direct competitor's URL. This method is especially useful when you want to uncover the exact keywords another site is already ranking for on Google. It can save time and give you a clearer picture of the terms that are already driving visibility in your industry. Next, select your target country and language. This matters because search behavior can vary significantly depending on location and audience. After choosing the correct settings, click Analyze. Moz will then generate a keyword overview dashboard. In this dashboard, you'll find 4 proprietary scores that help you judge whether a keyword is worth targeting. First, monthly volume shows the estimated range of monthly Google searches. Moz uses ranges instead of exact numbers, which can often provide a more realistic view of demand over time. You'll also see organic CTR, or click-through rate. This estimates the percentage of searches that actually lead to clicks on traditional organic results. If this number is low, it usually means the search results page is crowded with ads, shopping features, or other elements that reduce organic clicks. Finally, pay attention to difficulty. This is a score from 1 to 100 that estimates how hard it would be to rank in the top 10 results. The higher the score, the tougher the competition, usually because strong, high-authority websites already dominate the first page.